Hi guys, so today we're gonna show you how to paint the banner. Then we just trace it. As you can see, very speeded up right here. We have a video just tracing it if you wanna learn. But I am using the gold metallic since it's a golden birthday. Actually, a golden birthday is a very different thing for me. You leave me comments down below, whatever you are, because I am from Brazil and I don't really remember Brazil having a golden birthday. So I needed to get a little bit more info about it. So a golden birthday is when you are, for example, Briley is 14. And she was turning 14 on 14 of March. So that's why it's your birthday, you know, golden birthday. So my kids, for example, they were born on March 1st. So their first birthday will be the golden birthday. Then I didn't even know that exists. So sorry. But it is how it is. I'm going to cover the whole gold. I love this metallic paint. Then you guys can see up here. I'm going to leave the link below. It covers so easy, like one stroke and it's covered, and it's very soft. I don't know how to explain. I really enjoy using it, and it's not a sponsor. It's just like it really covers really well, and it's really shiny and pretty, and make any little detail that you use in your banner, in your banners better. So as you can see, I'm just going over, as I always say, just put paint on your brush because it slides it better, and always try to use the brush at the size that you want your details to be. If you're starting now and you're gonna make little details like hearts or stars, get a smaller brush because you tend to be very strong on the paper. But try just to use whatever you have. You don't need to spend a lot of money if you don't want to. But the trick is to learn your brushes, and we're gonna have some other videos teaching that. So I made all the gold with the gold metallic, and then Briley's and birthday in white. So how pretty is that? It's a pretty cute detail, and I'm gonna put the picture here for you guys to see how it looks. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Projector is on.